Okay, class, so this is the video to show you how to make your foldable. This is not the directions for what to put on the foldable, but just to make the foldable itself. The directions for what to put on each square is in Google Classroom. So, to make your foldable, you need to get a piece of paper. I have printer paper that I like, but pretty much any regular size piece of paper, like printer paper, will do. Preferably blank. You don't really want the lines, but if all you have is notebook paper, that will work as well. So step one is you get your piece of paper. You only need one. And you also need some tape. I have masking tape, but Scotch clear tape works better. You fold your paper hot dog wise one time. Hot dog is the long way. So you're making like a hot dog bun. Fold it once. Like so. Like this. Okay? It's folded once in half. After you've done that, you need to fold this into 3 equal pieces, hamburger way. So, I'm going to fold it once like so, and I want to fold it again. So they're like 3 equal pieces like so. I'm going to fold it. Okay, looks like this. Okay, so if I unfold it, you have 3, and it's folded once this way, you'll have 6. So, just like this. Okay? Unfold it. You will have 6 pieces, like I said. You want to split it down the middle. You can use scissors, but you don't need scissors because I don't use scissors. I just rip it down the middle. But you want to be careful not to make a bad rip on it and you have to redo it. So I fold it back and forth a couple of times, get it loosened up, and then I rip it. Okay, 2 halves, just like that. You're almost done with making the base of your foldable. The next part you need to do is take some tape and you take the bottom of one piece and you tape it to the top of the other, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to do that really quickly. Mine's not going to look pretty because it's made with masking tape. You guys can do much better. Tape it together. Okay, as you can see, they're taped together. The back looks like junk because I'm using masking tape, but this is the front, much less tape on it. So when you're all done, you should have a foldable that looks like this. You can fold it up. Just like so, like an accordion. And then you can let it go. It has 5 different spots to write on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the directions for what to put on your foldable, look at the directions on Google Classroom. Each one is for each phase of mitosis: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. You're going to be drawing some pictures, writing descriptions. This is going to be a really good thing to study from for the quiz on the different phases of mitosis. Okay, I hope you guys, I hope the directions helped you guys. If you have any questions, ask me on the meet.